Okay, you ready then?
Yeah, go on.
3, 2, 1, go.
See, I'm wondering if there's a case of like coasting and...
Oh, this is good. So this is a tight right turn here. Let's try not to clip the curb, obviously, getting wheel on the curbs about, flips about.
Yeah.
This is good, man. You know, it's tortoise and hare type stuff.
Exactly.
I mean, there are two quite long straights. There's one here, so as long as you don't brake too hard going to the hairpin at the end, you can pick up a bit of speed along here.
Okay. Now, when you say a bit of speed, what are we kind of thinking?
Oh, yeah, I mean, this is, yeah.
Do you know what I'm thinking of? I'm thinking of bumps on the track. I'm really getting that pretend.
Yeah,
I can see splashes already. Oh,
well,
God.
certainly, you know.
So, I'm going to start doing a slow down now.
You're gaining water. It's raining so hard, you're probably winning as well as losing.
Yes. Oh God, I am overthinking this.
So there's another straight before you hit the chicane.
I can't believe in a competition I'm getting the bongs off. Please pay attention to the road.
Well, that's because you're looking at the road.
I know, I'm looking at me bloody bucket.
Okay, so chicane is, yeah, right and then a sharp left.
Oh, that is sharp, is it?
Yeah, it's quite tight. That's fine.
And he says, well, it's to I gotta get to a stop.
You're going to get to a stop, yes. Yeah, so
right.
Slosh it on the stop. So this is an easy right going into a very hard right.
Right, the end kind of thing. Oh yeah, oh God. So I got to go
stopping on the line, stopping on cam. I mean, near enough. But yeah. Nice. Okay.
Okay. Let's have a see what the first one. I'm going to keep this recording because wait. Oh, that looks about a good 3 centimeters. 2.5. No, it's 3.
Penalty on top of 3 minutes 14.
I got 3:14, yeah.
So that puts me at 3:04.
This is where we struggle, so we've actually got a spreadsheet.
So that's 4 minutes 44.
Right, okay.
So a little ways off the pace there.
Okay. So I'm thinking if I can go 3 and consistently 3, I can speed up a bit.
Yeah.
There we go. That's my mindset. Ugh. Okay, final one. And so we got him. Drive, there's no EV mode. Okay, right. Thinking the reason actually it's not going into EV mode is because of the fact I'm towing. So I'm not getting that full EV. I'm getting a little bit of hybrid, but that's about it. I know. Okay, can't see many splashes. So you can see how much I'm concentrating because I'm not talking, but just so you know, the Santa Fe can tow 2 tons. That's why we have got an Inster on the back. Let's start to get some power through. Right, let's see what we've done now. Okay, this one I think I've lost more water.
I think you lost it.
I don't know, I think that's about 4. Let's have a look.
Maybe not.
No. Still 30.
250, so back to the
Exactly, back where you were before.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Well, you're nothing if not consistent.